In the digital age, information is power. The data we generate and consume daily is a valuable asset. Protecting that information is more important than ever. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, making security a top priority. This is where ethical hacking comes in. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills to safeguard systems. Ethical hackers use their skills to find and fix security flaws. They identify vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. Kali Linux is their go-to tool. It's a powerful platform designed specifically for penetration testing and security research. Kali Linux is a special operating system. It's built on Debian and comes pre-installed with hundreds of security tools. It's designed for cybersecurity professionals. From network analysis to digital forensics, Kali Linux has it all. It comes loaded with tools for penetration testing, security auditing, and more. These tools help professionals test the security of systems. This essay will explore some of the most popular Wi-Fi hacking tools available in Kali Linux. These tools are essential for testing wireless network security. We'll look at how they work and why they're so effective. Understanding these tools is crucial for anyone in the cybersecurity field. More importantly, we'll emphasize the importance of using these tools ethically and legally. Ethical hacking is about protecting, not exploiting. Kali Linux is not your average operating system. It's a specialized distribution designed for cybersecurity professionals. It's a powerful toolkit for security researchers and penetration testers, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for various tasks. Here's why it's so popular among the hacking community and cybersecurity experts alike. First, Kali comes pre-installed with a vast collection of hacking tools. These tools cover a wide range of functions, from network analysis to vulnerability assessment. This saves users the hassle of downloading and configuring them individually, making it incredibly convenient and time-efficient. From network scanners to password crackers, Kali has it all. It includes tools for every stage of a penetration test, ensuring thorough security assessments. Second, Kali is based on Debian, a stable and secure Linux distribution. This foundation provides a robust and reliable platform. This ensures a reliable platform for running complex hacking tools. Third, Kali is open source, which is a significant advantage. This means anyone can contribute to its development and improve its security features. The open source nature fosters a collaborative environment. This collaborative approach makes Kali a cutting-edge platform for ethical hacking. It continuously evolves with contributions from the global cybersecurity community, ensuring it stays ahead of emerging threats. Aircrack-ng is a household name in the world of Wi-Fi security. It's a suite of tools designed to assess and test the security of wireless networks. This suite includes tools for monitoring network traffic, capturing data packets, and cracking passwords. It's incredibly versatile and effective. Aircrack-ng works by exploiting vulnerabilities in the way Wi-Fi networks encrypt data. It can capture data packets transmitted between devices and a router. These packets are then analyzed to crack passwords and gain access to the network. Aircrack-ng's popularity stems from its effectiveness, versatility, and open-source nature. It's a must-have tool for any aspiring ethical hacker. Aircrack-ng is particularly adept at cracking older Wi-Fi security protocols like WEP and WPA. These protocols have known vulnerabilities that Aircrack-ng can exploit. WEP, or Wired Equivalent Privacy, is an older protocol known for its weaknesses. Aircrack-ng can crack WEP passwords relatively quickly by capturing enough data packets. WPA, or Wi-Fi Protected Access, is more secure than WEP but still vulnerable to certain attacks. Aircrack-ng can crack WPA passwords by exploiting weaknesses in its four-way handshake process. It's important to note that cracking modern WPA2 networks with Aircrack-ng is significantly more challenging and often requires specific vulnerabilities or weaknesses to be present. Section 5. Reaver, brute forcing your way in. Reaver is another powerful tool in the Kali Linux arsenal. It is specifically designed to target Wi-Fi networks by exploiting vulnerabilities in the WPS protocol. It specializes in attacking the Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS protocol. WPS was intended to simplify the process of connecting devices to a Wi-Fi network. WPS was designed to make connecting to Wi-Fi networks easier, but it introduced a significant security flaw. This flaw can be exploited by tools like Reaver. Reaver exploits this flaw by launching a brute force attack on a network's WPS pin. This means it systematically tries different combinations of the pin until it finds the correct one. This pin is typically 8 digits long, making it susceptible to brute force attacks. The process can be time-consuming, but it is often effective. Reaver systematically tries different pin combinations until it discovers the correct one, granting access to the network. This can compromise the security of the network, allowing unauthorized access. While effective against vulnerable WPS implementations, it's crucial to remember that many modern routers have implemented safeguards against Reaver attacks. These include locking the WPS feature after a certain number of failed attempts and using more complex pins. To protect your network, it's advisable to disable WPS if it's not needed and to use strong, unique passwords for your Wi-Fi. Regularly updating your router's firmware can also help in mitigating such vulnerabilities. Staying informed about the latest security practices and tools is essential in maintaining a secure network environment. Always be proactive in securing your digital space. Section 6. Understanding WPS vulnerabilities. The WPS protocol's vulnerability lies in its pin structure and implementation. The pin is divided into two parts, and routers often fail to implement adequate lockout mechanisms after repeated incorrect guesses. This means that an attacker using Reaver can continue guessing pin combinations without being blocked, eventually hitting the correct one. Modern routers often disable WPS by default or implement lockout mechanisms after a limited number of incorrect PN attempts. However, older or poorly configured routers remain vulnerable to Reaver attacks. Section 7. Wireshark, the network detective. Wireshark is a different beast altogether. Unlike Aircrack-ng and Reaver, which focus on exploiting vulnerabilities, Wireshark is all about network analysis. It's a powerful packet sniffer and analyzer. It captures network traffic in real time, allowing users to inspect individual data packets. This is invaluable for diagnosing network problems, identifying security issues, and understanding how network protocols work. Section 8. Capturing and analyzing network traffic. Wireshark captures data packets transmitted over a network and presents them in a human-readable format. Users can filter packets based on various criteria, such as source and destination IP addresses, protocols, and content. By analyzing these packets, security professionals can identify suspicious activity, such as malware infections, data breaches, or unauthorized access attempts. Wireshark's ability to capture and analyze network traffic makes it an essential tool for network administrators, security analysts, and ethical hackers alike. Section 9. The importance of ethical hacking. The tools discussed in this essay are powerful and can be used for both good and malicious purposes. It's crucial to emphasize the importance of ethical hacking. Ethical hackers use their skills to identify and fix security vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. They play a vital role in making the internet a safer place. Using these tools to gain unauthorized access to networks or devices is illegal and unethical. Always obtain proper authorization before conducting any security testing. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your hacking skills for good. Section 10 Conclusion. Hack responsibly. Kali Linux provides a powerful platform for ethical hacking and cybersecurity research. Tools like Aircrack-ng, Reaver, and Wireshark are invaluable for identifying and fixing security flaws. However, It's paramount to use these tools ethically and legally. Unauthorized access to networks or devices is a crime. Always obtain proper authorization before conducting any security testing. By using your hacking skills responsibly, you can contribute to a safer and more secure digital world. Remember, the best way to protect against malicious hackers is to think like one, ethically and responsibly.